We human beings are social creatures. We like to share our ideas and experiences with others. So it's perhaps not surprising that one of the most powerful teaching strategies is one that engages students in working together to make sense of learning. It's called peer-assisted consolidation of learning, and it helps students solidify new knowledge by working in pairs or small groups to discuss and collaborate. Numerous studies show that learning becomes more durable when students can process it socially, working together to discuss, question, and apply what they've learned, turning individual understanding into shared meaning. When students explain their ideas to each other, they're not just recalling information, they're consolidating and strengthening their knowledge, making mental connections that lead to better long-term retention and application. Peer dialogue activates higher order thinking, provided that we're asking students to do more than just worksheets together or share answers with each other. Effective peer-assisted consolidation of learning calls upon students to retrieve, organize, and reframe their new knowledge to make it understandable to others and to themselves. By teaching and questioning each other, students strengthen freshly created neural pathways and build confidence in what they know. Studies on cooperative learning show substantial gains in student comprehension and transfer occurs when they collaborate meaningfully with their peers. Here are some tips for effective peer-assisted consolidation. After about 5 to 10 minutes of direct instruction, give students time to pause and process by working together to summarize their learning, respond to a high-level question, or work through a problem together. Be sure to structure peer learning. Before releasing students to their group work, discuss and model expectations for productive conversations and give clear goals, time limits, and roles so that collaboration stays focused. And rather than let students choose their own group members, strategically assign students to groups with mixed abilities and perspectives. Have group members rotate roles so that everyone has an active voice. Encourage individual accountability with positive interdependence. Make it clear from the start that group work is designed to support, not supplant, independent work by, for example, helping students to better understand a text that they will be personally responsible for responding to. Like anything else, group work can grow tedious if it's always the same. For example, think pair share ad nauseum. So remember to vary the type of group activity using an array of formats. When properly structured, peer-assisted consolidation can deepen students' consolidation of their learning with the added benefit of increasing students' interest and enjoyment of learning. When we let students make sense of their learning together, we empower them to become active participants, not just passive recipients of what's happening in the classroom.